Morning. Today we are going to talk about the derivations of trigonometries by using first derivative. From the general formula, we know that d over dx of sin x, we will get cos x. While the first derivative of tangent x, we will get secant square x. Secant square x is also equals to 1 over cos square x. Why? Why the derivation of sin x will be equals to cos x, the derivation of tangent x will be equals to secant square x. Why? Okay, first of all, I'm going to talk about sin x. This is our first target. Okay, in this, I'm going to use two methods to obtain cos x. Why? Okay, first, I'm going to use first derivative f prime x. This is my first method. Okay, first of all, I use this f prime x, first derivative. Okay, let fx equals to sin x. Okay, so f prime x equals to f sin x plus delta x. So this is two different parameters contained in a single trigonometry. So we are going to use trigonometry identities to expand sin x plus delta x. If let's say sin a plus b, we'll get sin a cos b plus with cos a sin b. This is the general formula. So I'm going to apply to expand this. So we get this after expanding sin x plus delta x. Okay, now I'm going to factorize the whole function. With cos x sin alpha x divided by x. Okay, don't forget, when we use this formula, we need to add a limit of delta x approximate to 0. From here, put the limit notation. Cos delta x positive. Okay, I will be taking out sin x and also cos x. Okay. For this, you get 0. For this, you get 1. Okay, why? This is a constant value and I'm not going to explain it. So when sin x multiply with 0 plus with 1 multiply with cos x, you will get cos x for f prime x. this is how we get the derivations of sin x. We will get cos x by using the first derivative or limits and continuity concept. Now I'm going to use diagram methods and we'll obtain the same thing, cos x.